Big news breaking from the BOJ in the last couple of minutes. So we were waiting for two things here. One was in relation to the rate hike. Well, we got that in the end with the short-term rate raised to 0.25%, which is a 15 basis point jump. And off the back of this decision, the yen certainly catching a bid, it is actually weakening at the moment at around 153.58. So before this decision, there was a lot of chatter about would we or would we not get this rate hike. And certainly market expectations were forming that we would, and that could be perhaps why we are seeing the reaction in the dollar yen that in some degree it has already been priced in. Now, on the other hand here, we've got the bond tapering program, and this was very well telegraphed here. It will go down to $3 trillion per month by January of 2026, which is basically an 18-month time frame. And this was, again, around consensus. Consensus was sort of saying the expectation that it would go to halving, so $6 trillion down to $3 trillion of monthly bond purchases by about that 18 to 24-month period. Some of the other highlights coming out of this report at the moment, in terms of the longer-term inflation outlook, it is skewed to the upside. We're seeing that the BOJ is saying that the core CPI for 2025, fiscal 2025, has been revised up to 2.1% from 1.9%, which was the previous forecast in April. In terms of the 2026 forecast, 1.9% is where that's at versus 1.9% also here in April. Now, the decision in relation to the bond tapering, that was unanimous, but the decision in relation to rate split, 7-2 votes at the moment there as well. Now, we're still getting some more of these flashes coming through as we speak, but I guess really the two key points here is, yes, we got the rate hike. That was the big question. There was a lot of conjecture in the market about whether that would happen. That has happened now. Dollar yen at 153.24, so has weakened. The yen has weakened against the dollar off the back of this decision, and the bond tapering has come in as expected there as well.